Welcome back to Trade with Books. Today we are going to learn the simplest method of value investing. Like many of you would have heard that this is the time, this is the opportunity to do value investing. But who knows that discounted cash flow model or a relative valuation model? Because we are doing a job 9 to 5 job, we don't have that much expertise from Pune, so we can choose that which are the stocks available at value investing, which are the levels we should start buying, whether this is the correct level or it will fall more, then which are the stocks where I have to buy. This all things I don't know, but I want to put my money in stock market. I know this is the right place which can give me more return than FD, but I don't know which are the stocks to choose and how to choose. So this video is for you, which will give you a simplest method of value investing. Yes, so you can use 250-day moving average. 250-day simple moving average you can use, and when you apply 250-day simple moving average on a good fundamentally stocks which you know from last 20-30 years that these are the companies which will never go bankrupt. These are the companies which will not go out of their work. So you can diversify in those stocks, 4 or 5 such companies you choose, and whenever these companies work below 250-day moving average, you can start making your position, because you don't know when they will make the bottom. You don't know. A big fall will come, and with big volume some this type of candle will form, and again you will feel that I have missed the rally. You see, last time also Infosys, after this big gap down, when everything was looking bad, when people were talking that stock market is a bad place to be, that was the time to buy, when because Infosys was below 250-day moving average. So if you start following this simple method, that if any good company of Nifty 50, suppose you choose that your space is only Nifty 50, and there also you choose that 5-10 big names which you can trust, and there you put your money, and you have decided that I will keep my money in FD for as long as market is above 250-day moving average. But when market falls, it comes below 250-day moving average, I will start putting my money in those company which are below 250-day moving average, because I know after some time this phase will be over and these companies will again start to rise. So this is the way you can choose without any headache, without anything. Money which you are going to put should be not useful to you for next 5 or 10 years, because you are doing it for long term. You are not doing it for swing trading. Always remember that in stock market, for each type of thing, intraday, swing trading, value investing or option trading, separate rules are there, separate mindset you have to make. Like, this is not a swing trading where you will feel that if I buy here, what again it has fallen more, because this you are doing for more time, 5 to 10 years. This is the opportunity. You are looking in a fundamentally good companies which are available at a lower price, at a value price. You are not going to take all numbers, cash flow numbers, and then add that number, then discount it and reach to a discounted cash flow model. You don't know that much. So what you are going to do, you are trying to make it simple as possible. That this is a simple logic that you are using, that these are the companies which have performed best in last 20 years, so I will trust them. I will diversify even there also. So if some mishaps happen and one of this company actually shut downs, then also I will not lose my entire capital. Other four will save me, and there I will put my money when these companies are available at below 250-day moving average. Why to complicate things? You are busy in your life, you are busy in your job, focus there, increase your skills, your salary will increase, you will get more money. Here you can do the simple thing. Market is going down, stop swing trading. Swing trading will not work, because swing trading works only in the uptrend. First thing got cancelled, swing trading. Intraday, you don't have time to do intraday. You are full day on your job. If you start doing intraday, your job also, your performance will be decreasing, it will be poor, and finally you will not get that appraisal or whatever thing you are trying to get in your job, that promotion. The long term investing, the third thing is long term investing. This you can do in this market, where prices are falling, everything is available at cheaper price, but you don't know where to buy. So start putting money here. This is the time to do SIP in this type of stocks. You don't know how much it will fall, but you know that someday it will go up, and this is the company I believe. So this is a simple thing you can use. Otherwise, price action and all, I can teach you that this is a big volume, this is a hammer candle. After a gap down earlier, also Infosys had the similar thing. You can see here. So this was the time to buy, but you don't know whether it will fall again. You will feel that oh, again I have to. Then you will sell your position. Actually, this is the problem with us. Actually, when now market is going up, we'll be in FOMO that okay, now we have to catch when it was going up, but when it is falling, everybody is fearful. People are telling don't see the market, this is a bad place to be. But this is the time for you to put that money, because Tata Motor was available at 70 rupees during COVID time only, and when it was above 1000, every badshah was telling to buy it. But when it was 200, 100, 300, that time people were afraid that it will fall more. So this is a simple thing. If you see that global market, American market were all 10% up yesterday. So Friday will be a gap up. Again, these stocks will be at higher value, available at higher value. But you can wait, and again you can start here. This is the best level to start. If it falls more, you can add. These are the stocks where you can add. This is not a stock recommendation just for Infosys. You can try this with all big names where you want to make position. Suppose HDFC Bank. Now HDFC Bank, many of you are working, many of your colleagues may be working, but you don't know where to buy HDFC Bank. You know that HDFC Bank was a multi-bagger. It's a very good company, the only company which is consistent with its return on equity ROE number. But if you follow a simple rule that whenever this comes below 250-day moving average, this is zone, I will buy. So if you buy in this zone, again you are in profit even in this falling market. Okay. ICICI Bank. How many of you trust, how many of you think that ICICI Bank will close because of Trump's tariff or because of some reason? You see, this stock has not come down below 250-day moving average in last almost 2 years. So whenever it comes near to 250-day moving average, it takes supports and goes above. This also shows that this is the stock stronger than Nifty, because Nifty is below 250-day moving average. Many of the stocks are below 250-day moving average, but this is the stock which is holding its 250-day moving average. And when it was available below 250-day moving average here, when Russia-Ukraine war was there, that was the time to buy it at 700 rupees. And in COVID time, you see, it was below 250-day moving average for some time, some decent time. From March to October, lot of time for you to think about it and take position. Whatever small amount you will put here and keep it for long time. You see, this stock was available around 400 rupees. So these are the times where you can start buying. If you don't know anything, why to take your matha so much? आजा माथी आजा माथा सटकली, ऐसा कुछ है ना, सिंघम्स डायलॉग. Why to take that much pain? You don't have time, accept it. You don't have expertise from Pune, accept it. And don't do anything, just be in good companies. Like you are keeping your money in FD, treat this as the second option to FD, and don't put your more money in mutual fund also, because there also you don't know which mutual fund will perform or not, which are the stocks in that mutual fund. You can buy your own some good quality companies when they are below 250-day moving average. So this is the thing which I have already explained 3 months ago in my one-off video, that moving averages, how this works. And there I have explained you that 250-day simple moving average is a value zone. Below that, whenever prices come, it is actually a value zone. So I have explained you in that also. You can watch that video also, that why these zones are very important and how you can take benefit from these zones. And here I have explained that all of that moving averages, that how that each moving average works. So if you are interested, you can watch this video, that master moving averages. There I have explained in detail. So hope you like this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing. I will see you in the next video with something complex I will explain, so that you will also love to learn, because simple things works well but feels bad to learn. This is the reality. When everybody is greedy, be fearful. When everybody is fearful, be greedy. So this is the time everybody is fearful, so this is the time you have to be greedy. All the best.